Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually use Hubspot for real estate, the CRM for real estate on Hubspot. Now there has been a lot of updates right now and a lot of things just doesn't make any sense because the things that were like free are right now on the paid version. And right here when you're gonna find here the explore data model recommendations for actually finding the kind of like the default real estate CRM that you can actually like use. But the problem there is that I couldn't find this like anywhere. And then I'm like, okay, what I'm going to do. So this is something that you can actually like try to do. So we want to go here to data under the kind of like this bell here, the service, and you're gonna want to click data model. Now I couldn't find this anywhere in like overview analysis, like nothing here. So what you want to do is that you just want to write here get like, okay, make me CRM for the estate, and now you can like add here more information than what you were actually like looking for. Now when you're gonna be here, you just want to click get data for like model recommendation, and you're just gonna wait until it's going to like create for you. Okay, and look at that. So what we have here is that we have actually like the deals here. So the commission percentage, the financing required, expected closing date, property type. I already have like changed contacts with AI, but here you're gonna have also like the contacts. So a role, a buyer category, a last interaction date, preferred contact time. And this is something that you, for example, have for the companies, company type, number of agents, primary market, affiliate organization, for like the tickets, and you get multiple things. Now, what you're going to find here is that if you're on a free version, you are going to find here the free custom pipeline. The problem here is that the HubSpot wants to force you into the upgrading for having more pipelines. So what you actually want to do is that you want to take these and you want to like screenshot your own like phone or something, and then come here to, I will show you in a settings, and then you're gonna go to deals, here pipelines. And what you're gonna do is that you want to have like a sales pipeline. This is like the default one, and you can't really like change it or like delete it if you could like replace it. So what you can do is that you want to add this, like for example the renter pipeline if you're for example renting, and for buy pipeline right here is that I'm going to have like a new lead, right? That's gonna have add stage. And we're gonna have contacting, then we're gonna have, and you can change the like percentage here. So I would just like copy and paste it. That's something that you can do too. And now I'm going to go preview properties. Okay, then we're gonna have offer to purchase. Okay, add stage, negotiations. Then we're gonna have add stage for and if you can like, if you're gonna have the, for example, the enterprise version or like the paid tool, then you can like do it. But this is something that you're gonna have closed won, closed lost, and I don't know for the percentage here. And now we're gonna have the percentage. Now when we're gonna go here for the deals, oh, I didn't click save. Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia. So definitely click save, guys. Don't be like me. So again, and you're gonna choose like, you can even like rename it if you want. Okay, offer to purchase. Negotiations. Accepted offer. Closed won. Closed lost. Okay, save. Now it's saved. Okay, we got it. So here when you're gonna have like deals. Okay, and we're gonna have all deals, so I can add deals or I can like create new, and I'll set up for myself. And then we're gonna have the pipeline, and look at that. So we have right now for the deal, we actually have it. Does it make sense? And we can like contacting, and now is like we can have like the deal name. But let's start with the beginning. So in the contacts, when we like created it. And I'm going to add a contact, and I can like create a new contact. I got first name, last name, and I can have like this is like the job title, phone number, live call stage, if it's like lead, and you can have like choose here a lead status and a legal basis, and you can have that. So that's something that you can actually like do. And now for like when you're gonna have, for example, the contact, and you have everything about the contact, so you can have the company name, the city, street address, and these are the things that you can also like edit if you would like. Then you're gonna have also the activities, the revenue, and these are the things that you can do. And then you're gonna have also the companies. So this is something that if you want, you can like be here and like add a company. And then you're gonna have the deals, as I mentioned. So for the deals primarily, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna click here, add a deal, and you're gonna like create a new deal, set that for myself, and deal name. So let's say it's a listing right here for product, and you're gonna have like for a property. Sales pipeline is this one. Deal stage is like engaging amount like this. And deal owner, deal type, let's say it's like a new business, priority, medium, and then you're gonna have the contact here, which is me, and you can also add like line items here. So I can click here, create, right? And look at that. So right now we have these walls like created, and then we're gonna have the contacts, the companies, and you can add like multiple things here for it. And then I can go like back here, and we can have like deals stage here. So this is something that you're gonna have, and you can like change it if you would like. So that's like what you can do, and you can have like even the board view right here. So this is kind of like the engaging for this amount of money, and that's how we can do it also. So hope this video provided a little bit of value, what you can actually do and how the whole process works. And that's for that. So here you're gonna have also like the tickets if you would like to use it. So or also like the kind of like the tasks on what you can actually like do. So that's like another thing for you to do and what you can try. And yeah, so hope this video provided a little bit of value on how you can use it, guys, and how it's what you can like possible to be done. Sorry if I made like some mistakes and stuff like that. So have a great day, guys, and goodbye.